Hi friends, welcome to the next demonstration on OpenStack deployment using shell scripts. In the last session, we executed up to script number 15. You must watch my previous recordings to do the complete course. Without wasting time, in this session you will understand 16, script number 16, 17, 18 and 19. That's what we will do. All these scripts are based on this repository. This is my repository and you can download and you can use this. The environment is, this is the environment. We have three machines: controller, compute and storage. Right now we are working on controller. ENP0S3 is with this IP address. This is management IP. ENP0S9 is NAT and unconfigured. This is for external connections. So right now we are working on controller. We will set up MariaDB is done, RabbitMQ done, Memcache done, Swift Proxy, Keystone, HTTPD, Neutron, all are pending. So we are working on this script now. Let's open the script, script number 15, 16 to be precise. So this script, as usual, will do the installation of packages, installing Neutron Common, Neutron Server, Neutron Plugin ML2, Linux Bridge Agent, L3 Agent, Neutron DHCP Agent, and Metadata Agent. So without wasting time, let's install all these packages using the script. Installation of packages is complete. Let's look at the script number 17. This is setting up Neutron. This is first it will set up the database for Neutron, and this will be the function. This function is being called here, passing the Neutron database user and database password. Sourcing the credential file, then waiting for keystone to be available, and then creating keystone entries, identity and access management entries, creating user, adding a user to the admin role, then creating a service, then creating endpoints. This is a straightforward script. Let's execute this script. So the user is created and given admin role is given, then internal, external and admin endpoints are created. Script number 18 now. This script is configuring Neutron for controller node. So the database, Neutron admin user, Neutron admin password, setting up the database connection, main configuration by file being managed here, being changed here is etc neutron.conf. All the sections like default section, keystone authentication section, then default section, Nova section, all these sections are being changed here, and respective sections, like for example this is a ML2 plugin configuration file, this is also being changed. So, and we are using Linux Bridge. This is experimental, this is mandatory, it's used in Z release of OpenStack. This means this needs to be done true. This is not there in the installation guide. Then security group, bridge agent. After that, configuring DHCP agent, configuring L3 agent, and then verifying, configuring DNS mask, and adding on host etc host file. That's it. Let's execute this script. Done. Script number 19. This is again configuring the metadata agent, and after that configuring Nova for networking, populating the database and displaying, verifying the services, verifying the operations. Finally, it will display all the agents. Let's look at this. So let's execute this script. Script number 19, set up Neutron 4, populating the database now, restarting all the services. All the services are restarted and they are up. You can verify metadata agent, DHCP agent, L3 agent, Linux Bridge agent, all are running on controller and they are up. So we just now executed script number 19, and that's all for this session. In the next session, we'll set up Horizon and we'll verify the operations. Whatever services we configured, we'll see then in Horizon dashboard. That's all for this session. Thank you very much for watching.